Did you know a chameleon can look into directions at the same time? Let's meet Kamo the curious chameleon. Kamo lived in a tall green tree in the jungle. He loved watching insects and tiny animals with his amazing eyes. Kamo had amazing eyes. One eye looked left, and the other eye looked right. That helped him watch for food and danger. Kamo also had another special power. He could change his colors. Sometimes green, sometimes yellow, and sometimes even bright colors. One day, Kamo became very curious. He slowly climbed down from his tree to explore the ground. But on the ground, Kamo felt nervous. He realized it was easier to see by bigger animals. So Kamo quickly climbed back up the tree. High in the branches, he felt safe again. Kamo learned an important lesson that day. Curiosity helps us learn new things, but it is always important to stay safe. And enjoy joyful vibes every day.